Hello and welcome to all. Today's session we'll see top 15 shortcut keys every QA should know. Okay. So first we'll understand why we need to understand shortcut keys. Okay, because it saves QA's time and increases the productivity. Okay. Now if you see as a QA professional, our job is not only to find out the bugs but also to work fast, efficiently and with precision. Okay, now if you see with the help of shortcut keys, it help reduce the dependency on mouse action. It saves the time during testing, debugging, documentation, and reporting, and it improves the overall productivity. Okay, now if you see, instead of clicking 4 5 times with the help of shortcut keys, keyboard shortcut, we can do the same task instantly. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, now if we take a example like during regression, okay, or repetitive testing, okay, so as a QA we need to switch between the browser test cases, Zephyr we can say it, or bug tracker, or any ID or Excel or email tools. Okay, so using shortcuts, okay, it reduces the switching time. Okay, instead of minimizing the browser manually and opening the other browser, okay, so what we'll do using alt tab, okay, will instantly switch between the browser and the defect tool. Okay, and if we consider overall a day, okay, it's we are doing number of times, and definitely it saves a lot of time. Okay, then we'll also consider the browser testing. Okay, like QA spend, like we spend lot of time in browser, like open tabs, then enter the URL, then close tab. Okay, if it's a new deployments happen, then again we need to clear the cache. Okay, and again we need to enter the URL, refresh the screen, and other things. Okay, but using the Control Shift R, it's a hard refresh. It's clear the cache plus reload it. Okay, and definitely it's useful when verifying latest deployment. Okay, so now if you see, if I want to clear the cache, first I need to open the browser, then I need to go to setting, I need to clear the cache. Okay, and again I need to refresh the screen. Okay, so definitely if we use the Control Shift R, okay, then definitely my 3 to 4 clicks becomes only one click, or we can say only one command. Okay, and it's like it saves a lot of time. Okay, now here I gave the example like control using Control Shift T. Okay, it reopens the last closed tab. Like suppose if you open the QA UIT URL and by accidentally you close the things. Okay, using Control Shift T. Okay, it's instantly record the session. Then Control T. Okay, it's open new tab. Okay, and then after that using the Control L. Okay, we'll put the new URL into the new tab. Okay. So if we want to close the current tab, we will use the Control W. Okay, close unwanted logs or duplicate session. Then Control tab, just we saw, like if you want to switch the between the tabs, if you want to switch between the Jira test application and the logs, okay, then you can use the Control tab. Okay. Now to perform the faster log analysis, okay, so definitely as a QA, full stack QA, we need to check the logs, API response, console error, okay. And if you do searching manually, it's very slow. So using Control F, okay, will search the error in logs, and it saves a lot of time while debugging it. Or if you want to update the Zephyr or in defect, okay, then definitely we'll search the error, Control F, okay, using Control F, and we'll give the same error and we'll update in Zephyr. Okay, so now here you can see using Control L, okay, it's focus browser address bar and quickly paste the new test URL without mouse. And Control F, it's locate the error message or locate in down. Okay, then Control H, it's revisit the previously tested environments. Like if in case you forgot the URL, you just simply press the Control H, it will open the history and you can open the previously tested environment. Then Alt tab. Okay, switch between the application. Like we can jump between the IDE and the browser during the debugging. Okay. Now it's definitely increases the QA productivity. Okay, if you consider as a QA, okay, we execute the 20 to 30 test cases daily. Okay, so without the shortcut, like if you see, we need to copy test data, open new tab, refresh it, search logs, take screenshot. Okay, So it is a very time consuming. But if you use the shortcut keys, then definitely it's become faster. Like we can copy the bug ID, Control C, using Control C. Okay, don't type it. Okay, it is a very time consuming, and again chances are more to put the wrong defect ID. So we'll use the Control C, then we'll put in email or report. Okay, using Control V. Okay, it's a simple, and we need to do it uh, in a day, lot of times. Okay, then faster bug reporting. Okay, then definitely when we are reporting a bug, we need to give the screenshot, logs. Okay, so we'll take a, like using win shift s, we'll take the screenshot quickly. Okay, using logs, we'll find out the, using Control F shortcut keys, we'll find out the error. We'll add into the ziffer while logging a report. Okay, and browser console checks. Okay, then definitely using the shortcuts, it speed up the evidence collection. Okay, and usually it is a very useful when logging a defect. Okay, here you can see Control C, Control V, copy API response into defect report. Then Control X. Okay, will move reusable test steps to across test cases. Then Control Z. Okay, it's an undo reaction. Control Y, we can reapply undo changes in script. Okay, so this is a very useful when we are developing a automation script. Then Control S, definitely it save the test script before execution. Then Control Shift F. Okay, it search the like find out where the locate is reused in the framework. Okay, basically when we are using a automation script, okay, that time these commands are useful. Then F12, okay, navigate the method implemented in Selenium framework. Okay, and if in case you want to count the word or the page character count, okay, we'll first select the that words, and after that we'll play the Control Shift G. Then it will definitely give the word page character count with space and without space, the number of characters. Okay, so these all are the shortcut keys. Like as a QA, as a full stack QA, we should know it. Okay, so that is the reason I'm saying like a full stack QA engineer does not only know the automation tools or frameworks or the testing concept. We should also know how to work faster. Shortcut keys are small skills, okay, with huge productivity impact. Okay, so that is the reason I will recommend every QA should know these 15 shortcut keys. Definitely, it will increases your 10 to 20% productivity. Okay, if in case you have any questions, queries, please let me know. Thank you.